Uh-oh.
Are you just a regret? Are you always upset? Do you need to reset? Figure out what's up next. Trust me, take a deep breath. Everything you'll forget. This is now a real threat to every doubt in your head. Oh! I know, inside, I'm sick of never feeling quite right. I'm gonna make a change this time. You better do the same and climb.
Going today, everybody. Coyote here, and we're about to go get some gas. Beautiful day out, so we're gonna head up Blood Mountain. Hopefully it don't try to rain on us, because that's what they're calling for. I hope everyone's having a good day today. You probably won't be able to hear me much on the mountain. You may not be able to hear me much now. I got me a new mount for my Icon helmet. It's mounted to the shield, so it moves whenever I open it and stuff. So that's probably the only bad part about it, but it'll be okay. Alright, let's see if we can get out of here now. Oh God, no. A failure. I don't deserve to live. Where's that costume crack? Nah, he's going. We're good. Oh, the beautiful mountains.
Hey guys, right here I skipped the video to the other side of Blood Mountain. The reason I did this is because I enjoyed coming back the opposite direction a lot better and to cut down time on a video. Enjoy. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, this is the bottom of the mountain on the other side. She didn't like that, did she? I'm gonna do a wheelie, I think. Uh-oh. Yep, top.
County?
What's that?
Reckless driving.
I got you.
You know what that entails?
No, sir.
You going with me and me towing that.
Okay. I apologize, sir.
How are you, Joe? I accept your apology on doing something stupid like
I appreciate
that.
it.
Like you can jeopardize yourself and anybody else.
Yeah.
Take her home or enjoy your ride one way or the other.
Okay.
But,
Alright.
be
I
safe.
appreciate it.
Alright.
Y'all be careful out there.
We're going to try. You do the same. You ain't got no doors.
Well, and there's your outcome on wheelies where I live. But he was a nice guy, and I'm glad he let me go. Could have been a lot worse, that's for dang sure. That was a good wheelie though, not gonna lie. right up here on our left. It's a very, very pretty place. Nice little place to go hike. It's like a small hike, but it's fun. Soto Falls. My parents and my sister, they know. My sister and them would come up from Valdosta, and they would they all go camping up there sometimes. Playing with it. Woo! Man, so much fun with the curves. So I guess you can count this as my second time going over the mountain. Going over a mountain in the curves and stuff. wave then. I don't care. You ain't gotta wave at me. I'm not stuck up. I'll wave at everybody. Fine. I don't care if you're on a bike or not. I'll just wave at everybody. Wave at everybody. Hey, hey. Wave at everybody. Waving at everybody. Hey. No one's waving back though. Hey. Didn't wave either. Dang it. Why are people so rude to wave back? Hey. 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 No one waved. God, people are so stuck up. Wave. Hey. Nothing. What is this wrong? What is wrong with you, America? Oh my gosh. I'm too stuck up. I can't wave at people on a motorcycle. You got tattoos and everything. You're a barbarian. I can't wave at you. What will other people think? Look at this guy. This guy will wave. Hey, wave. Hey, you wave. Woo! Look at this guy. Hey, nothing. These assholes, we need to go down. That big mountain right there. We need to go down that on the bike and ride up it. So far. That'd be cool. Right? Bro? Alright guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video of going over Blood Mountain. I'm now in Blue Ridge. I just got done eating food and started driving over this way. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was a fun ride. First time I ever took it over the mountain. I absolutely enjoyed it a lot. It was the best. Leaning in the corners like that, I've never done that before. So it was all a new experience to me. So I enjoyed it very much. It was really fun on something like a supermoto. So, but this is a wonderful day. I hope everyone's having a great day. Go out and do something adventurous, you know. Don't second guess it. Just go do it. You know, have fun with your life and everything. You know, you only get one. Go have fun, and hope y'all have a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video, guys. See ya.
Oh! Inside, I'm sick of never feeling